This is the Trust Primo laptop bag, a cheap bag for a portable computer up to 16 inches. And I'm going to show you everything about this bag so you can see if it's a good bag for your computer. But first, subscribe to the channel because I bring new products every week, and like the video to help the channel grow. I've already shown various sizes of bags for carrying computers, from large bags capable of carrying 2 computers or bags for small computers. But the bag I'm going to show you today has an average size, ideal for carrying any computer either with 14 inches or 16 inches, light or heavy. But let's see the physical characteristics of this bag. This bag has space to carry a computer of 16 inches in size. The bag has 2 zippers to open and close the bag. Inside, it has 2 compartments. One part has a Velcro strap to hold the computer, so it doesn't slip when the bag is open. But there's also space to carry school documents or books. But on the outside of the bag, there is a pocket for accessories. This pocket is closed with a zipper, and here you can place all the accessories or objects that you need to take with you. There are 2 ways to carrying this bag: holding the handles with your hand as you normally do, or you can use a buckle. This buckle can be placed on the bag to carry it on your shoulder, and it's easy to put on. I place the metal hooks on both sides of the bag, so I can carry the bag on my shoulder, and the weight of the computer is supported on my shoulder, making it easier to carry. I'll do a demonstration now. I have the bag and a 15.6-inch computer, and I'm going to put the computer inside the bag to see if it fits. I'll place the computer on the bottom part, and the computer slides perfectly without difficulty, with a perfect size for this computer. And I can put the Velcro strap to hold the computer so it doesn't slip out of the bag when the bag is open. I can close the bag with the computer, and in this external pocket I will be able to put the accessories. Here I have space to put the computer charger, cables and other objects I may need. And then I close the pocket so that no objects fall out of the bag during transportation. So with this bag I can carry a computer of any size, either if it is a 16-inch or a 12-inch computer. Although the computers will not be all the size of the bag, you can easily carry any computer up to 16 inches in this bag. And so, this is a great choice for carrying your computer, either for the office, the home, or for school. I hope you enjoyed this product, but I have more bags for computers to show you, so you can choose the best bag for your computer. But now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, like the video to help the channel grow, and if you have any questions, write in the comments.